Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 8 hatchback, 1.5 litre, TSI Life, Evo 150 PS. The car is in great shape and has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, distance monitoring, a dynamic road sign display, a multifunction camera, lane assist, and these 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now, the boot's a good size, and it comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior is a digital cockpit pro, an eCall emergency call service, and a 10.25-inch high-resolution TFT dash display screen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.